In today's video, we're building a set of mid-century style nesting tables using a repurposed cherry tabletop and table legs from Osborne. This project is great for beginner to intermediate woodworkers. Stay tuned for a full tutorial. For this build, we're repurposing a cherry tabletop that we had in the shop and cutting it into 3 different sizes for our nesting tables. I'll start by using a compass to mark out 3 circles on the tabletop at 21 inches, 17 inches, and 13 inches. Each tabletop will be 4 inches smaller than the previous, allowing them to nest together. When marking the smaller sizes, it's important to use a tape measure to measure the distance between your compass. This will ensure that all 3 tabletops are proportionate and provide a seamless look when finished. Next, I'll mark out one edge of each circle to give the tabletops a more unique look. I can anchor one end of the compass to the edge of the circle and create a line that intersects on the other end. To match this detail for the remaining 2 tops, simply decrease the size between your compass by 4 inches for each top. Once your marks are made, you can cut out the tabletops using a jigsaw, making sure to stay as close to the lines as possible. Depending on the lumber that you're using, you can also use a router with a template for this process. Just make sure to adjust your dimensions accordingly. Once our tabletops are cut out, we can now mark out the locations for our leg mounting plates. I chose to recess the mounting plates for this build, so I need to first create some reference marks to ensure that each tabletop has matching placement for the legs. The bottom line will serve as the reference point for the front legs, while the middle line will serve as the reference point for the back leg. I can find the location for the legs that I'm happy with on the first tabletop and copy that on the other 2. We chose to mount our table legs using the straight leg mounting plates part 928 from Osborne. These mounting plates are easy to install and are a great option when needing to mount round table legs. We also offer these plates in an angled version as well as a few different types of leg mounting options on our website. Once the locations are marked, I'll route out a recess about 1/4 of an inch deep using a handheld router. Since this is on the bottom of the tabletop, I'll do this by hand, making sure to stay as close to the line as possible. However, you can use a template if needed. Once you've test fit the mounting plate to ensure that it fits properly, you can repeat this process for the remaining tabletops. Next, I decided to add a 1/4 inch roundover on both edges to give it a softer look. This detail is optional and can be customized depending on your style. The next step is to install the mounting plates using the supplied wood screws, making sure to pre-drill if needed. It's important to note that depending on the thickness of your tabletop, you may need to adjust the size of your wood screws for this installation. Each hardware kit comes with 5/8 inch wood screws, allowing them to work with several different applications. For this project, we're using the tapered wheeler legs from Osborne, so I need to create a simple jig that will hold the legs while we install the threaded inserts. For this, I cut an 1.5 inch hole in a scrap piece of plywood and clamped it into the vise on my workbench. This will hold the leg in place safely while I drill the hole needed for the threaded insert and threaded dowel. To install the threaded inserts, I first need to drill a 3/8 inch hole that will make room for the threaded dowel. Next, I can make a slightly larger hole at the top that is large enough to screw in the threaded insert. This 2-step hole will ensure the threaded insert can be installed tight while still allowing for plenty of room with the threaded dowel. To install the insert, tighten it using an Allen key into the pre-drilled hole, making sure not to over-tighten it. Next, we can screw in the threaded dowel until it bottoms out, allowing for a tight fit on our tabletop. As I mentioned, we're using 3 different sizes of the wheeler legs for this project, one at 24 1/4, one at 21 inches, and one at 18 inches, allowing each table to nest together seamlessly. If you want to learn more about these legs from Osborne, you can check out the link above. Before installing the table legs, you can sand all of the tabletops to 150 grit and apply the finish of your choice. When finishing your project, make sure to avoid getting finished in the threads of the mounting hardware, as this can cause issues during assembly. To install the table legs, simply screw in the threaded dowels to the mounting plates and tighten until flush with the tabletop. If your threaded inserts were installed slightly uneven, you can continue tightening the leg until it straightens up to match the rest. Thank you for joining me for this video. If you're interested in any of the products used in this build, you can check them out in the links below. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment, and we'll see you next time in the Builder Studio.